absolutely love the flavours and textures in this dish. Lovely tender chicken in a rich sauce with one of my all-time favourite vegetables. Hi, I'm Nikki. Welcome back to our kitchen, where we show you how to make delicious, family-friendly recipes. Now, along with that lovely tender chicken, we've got the crisp saltiness of the bacon, the lovely warmth of the cream and Dijon mustard, the butteriness of that fresh kale, and the crisp crunch of those pecans. So let's get cooking. Now, I've got 4 chicken breasts here for my family of 4, but you can scale this recipe depending on how many people you're serving. And we're going to start off by flattening the chicken breast slightly with a rolling pin. So just flatten them slightly between 2 sheets of parchment paper, so they're about 2 centimetres thick. Now season the chicken breasts with 1/4 teaspoon each of salt, pepper and paprika. Heat 1 tablespoon of oil in a large frying pan over a medium heat. Add 4 rashers of streaky bacon to the pan and cook, turning once until crispy. This should take about 5 minutes. Remove the bacon from the pan and then slice the bacon into thin strips. Increase the heat of the frying pan to medium-high and place the chicken in the frying pan to fry in the leftover bacon fat. Fry for 4 to 5 minutes until golden on one side. Then turn the chicken over and move to one side of the pan. Add a small diced onion and 2 cloves of minced garlic to the space in the pan. Cook for 3 to 4 minutes, stirring often until the onion starts to soften. Now we're going to add in the key warming ingredient to this recipe, 2 tablespoons of Dijon mustard. We're also going to add in 240 ml, which is about a cup, of chicken stock, and 120 ml, which is about half a cup, of double or heavy cream. Stir together, then arrange the chicken in the pan evenly. Bring the sauce to the boil. Then add in my favourite veggie, 60 grams, which is about a cup, of finely shredded kale. Stir everything together and then simmer gently for about 10 minutes until the chicken's cooked through and the sauce has thickened slightly. After 10 minutes, stir in 50 grams, which is about half a cup, of grated parmesan, then turn off the heat. Serve topped with the cooked crispy bacon and a few chopped pecans. I like to serve this delicious creamy chicken Dijon with some boiled baby new potatoes sprinkled with some finely chopped herbs. This recipe, along with 99 others, is available in my new book, It's All About Dinner. I'll leave a link below so you can take a look and order your copy. Thanks for watching. See you next time.